Hey guys, I wanted to share with you an example of how to work smart and not hard when it comes to editing photos. A common request I get asked is to remove distractions in photos, and these sort of signs on this door is a perfect example. Now, a lot of people would just go straight for the sort of clone tool and try to clone them out. Yeah, that could work. Take a bit of time, and you'd have a lot of repeating patterns and so on. So something like this is a much easier solution. We can simply just make a selection of this area, and then if we pick a color from the background and then just simply fill that in. But the first thing you may think is that, oh well, that's a bit sharp, that doesn't look right. Well, the reason for that is that the background is blurred, it has a slight depth of field to it. So all we have to do is just blur that background, and then as you can see, it blends in nicely. There's a little bit of overlap, so I can just resize and it should then match nicely. If we then just add a little bit of noise so that it matches the noise in the background, it will then look like it's part of the image. If you like this, give me a like, and then I'll do more tips like this.